Now let us consider one more example. So one propene. So the propene on reaction with cold alkaline potassium permanganate Bayer's reagent followed by the hydrolysis. Then the first carbon contain 2 hydrogens, second carbon contain 1 hydrogen, they have one double bond. So we have to add OH on first carbon and second carbon, not on the third carbon. So therefore it forms cis prop 1, 2 diol. Now let us consider one more, malic acid. So here COOH both are on the same side. That means it is a cis compound. So when COOH groups are on the same side, then it is called as malic acid. So if you consider here, for the malic acid, we are adding the Bayer's reagent. Then 2 OH groups are added on same side. Therefore it is cis compound. Cis 2, 3 dihydroxy 1, 4 butane dioic acid. It is a cis compound. Now for this compound we are adding osmium tetroxide, sodium bisulfate mixture followed by the hydrolysis. Then the OH groups must be added on same side, bottom side. So it is also a cis compound 1. Now for this compound we are adding peracetic acid, CH3, COOH means as acetic acid. CH3, CO3H means peracetic acid. Oxygen extra रहे तो पर बोलते हैं. CH3, CO3H, peracetic acid. So peracetic acid means it forms a trans compound 1. One OH group on the top, bottom, trans compound it is. Now for this compound we are adding silver acetate. So this group is called as acetate. Ag means silver. Silver acetate plus iodine mixture in wet conditions called as Woodward's reagent. Then it forms OH groups on the same side. Therefore it is a cis compound 1. So if we take a dry mixture, then it is called as Prevost's reagent. Then it forms a trans compound 1. Now let us see one more example. 1 cyclopentane. So we are adding Bayer's reagent. Then OH groups are added on the same side. Therefore both are in the dark lines. Cis compound it is. So for this mixture we are adding osmium tetroxide, sodium bisulfate followed by the hydrolysis. Then it forms cis compound. 2 lines are dark lines, cis compound. For this compound we are adding peracetic acid. Then it is forms a trans compound. One is dark line, one is dotted lines. For this compound we are adding silver acetate plus iodine mixture in wet conditions called as Woodward's reagent. Then 2 are in dark lines, cis compound. If we take a dry mixture called as Prevost's reagent, then it forms 1 dark line, 1 dotted line means it is a trans compound 1. Now let us see one bicyclic compound. Bicyclic 2,2,1 hep2 So for this compound we are adding Bayer's reagent. Then it forms a cis compound. So in the bicyclic compounds, whenever we have one OH group is equatorial, that is non-parallel. One OH group is axial, means parallel. ये parallel है, थोड़ा सा straight आना. So make it a correction. It is parallel. So it is axial. One equatorial, one axial. One non-parallel, non-parallel, parallel. So it is cis compound. So if we add osmium tetroxide, sodium bisulfate plus dry conditions, water we are adding, then it forms one is equatorial hydroxy, one is axial hydroxy. यहाँ पर OH parallel में axial है, यहाँ पर OH equatorial में non parallel है. Therefore it is cis compound. So for this compound we are adding peracetic acid. Then it forms equatorial. तो 2 कार्बन्स में इक्वेटोरियल में रहे तो वो ट्रांस होता है. So trans dialcohol. So for this mixture we are adding silver acetate plus iodine in dry conditions called as Prevost's reagent. Then it forms equatorial hydroxy, non-parallel hydroxy, trans compound. If we take a wet conditions called as Woodward's reagent, then it forms one is equatorial, non-parallel. Other hydroxy is parallel, means axial. एक equatorial है, एक axial है. एक नॉन प्लेनार है, नॉन पैरेलल है और एक पैरेलल है, means it is cis compound one. So all of you take some examples. So for this compound, that is 3,6 dimethyl 1 cyclohexene. So for this compound, all of you take these examples. So add potassium permanganate, osmium tetroxide, paracids. Other one is wet conditions, means Woodward's reagent and Prevost reagent. So all of you take this example. So all of you similarly take this example, 7th one, cis 2-butene. So add this reagent so that you can, so all of you take it as an exercise. Thank you.